Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 Voltage 3635 toy hauler fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, and then we will close it all up and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right guys, we are now up inside the new 2022 Voltage 3635 here, and we're going to spin our way through the inside of the RV here, and then we'll head back outside. I'm going to start back here in the garage area, and then we'll come back to the inside. So first things up, you do have a rubber floor, has quite a few D-rings in the floor, some metal around the edging of the walls just to kind of help protect it a little bit. LED light strips and stuff down there you can see, obviously. Happy Jack bed system here, so you have two sofas. There's a little dinette table that could go in there. There's also a ladder that would go there as well. Upper bunk, that lower portion will actually make into a big bed as well. Push a button and it goes right on up against the ceiling, and then the sofas can actually drop down against the walls as well. Looking up top here, you can see one of the air conditioners here, a couple speakers back here as well. Going on back here to the back, the lower portion of the floor kind of slopes down. Just makes it a little easier to get your toy up on the ramp. This one was ordered with the 3-season door feature here, which has the sliding glass panels or screen. Rear patio has the steps. You'll see that a little better when we get outside, but you have the little swing gate there as well. And then you have a little awning back here, some LED lights, and then you also are pre-wired for a observation or backup camera. Up top there, again, you can kind of see the air conditioner, the speakers, some lights, but also some cabinets there. And there's room up there if you wanted to maybe mount a second TV or something like that, or whatever you might want to do with that wall right there. Here you have your TV. You also have washer dryer prep down here as well. One of the side vents up there. Thermostat on the wall as well for the back air conditioner system here. I got a pretty cool swinging glass door there, which just kind of makes the camper feel a little bit bigger, even though it's walled off for this garage area. When you are inside here, you still kind of get a little bit of an open feel, being able to see what's going on back there. Now up top here, you do have a little loft area. There's a window up there, a couple lights up there as well. Some more speakers in here, along with your AC vents. Big TV up there with a swing arm, so you can kind of maneuver that around. Stereo system over there. Emergency exit window. Little dinette area here. Then you could throw you a couple bar stools or something on this side if you wanted to. Now this one was ordered with the 18 cubic foot Norcold gas and electric refrigerator. Insignia oven, huge oven, 4-burner stovetop, high point microwave. It's a big microwave. Lots of cabinet space here. Up top there is a turbo exhaust fan. Undermount stainless sink. Some more drawer space and storage space. They even have a little slide out trash can thing down here too. The high-rise spring sprayer faucet here. You have a little theater seat over there, which does have the heat and massage feature built in, some little LED lights. Nice big windows overlooking the campsite of the awning. Going on up your hallway area here, down below is your electric box with the breakers and fuses. your main furnace and air conditioner thermostat here. And then on this section here, you do have your slide buttons, 2 of your outside awning buttons, generator start stop buttons, 12-volt heat pad buttons, some interior light switches, awning light switch. You've got your gas electric water heater switches here, dimmer switch for your LED awning lights outside. So you got a few different switches here on your control panel for the awning stuff. Then you also have your fantastic fan, the Max Air fan that was above the kitchen there, controls in here as well, and some more light switches. They are also using the blackout roller shades on the windows up through here. On the left here, we have our bathroom area. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a few drawers, little cabinet area, little bowl sink. There's a sit-down seat in that shower. Nice big step-in shower with the glass enclosure. We're gonna step over this side here and look at it from the bedroom area. Just kind of give you a little bit better view for it. Nice big medicine cabinet. There's a vent in here, air conditioning vent in here as well. But fairly roomy bathroom for a toy hauler. Now spinning on back around here, we are looking at the master bedroom. Another air conditioner up there, some overhead cabinets, nice shelf space in the headboard area there. Little cabinet on the left, electric outlet and USB charger port on the right, and then just an electric outlet on the left. Now over here on the left side, we have a little closet area, which is a slide out. A couple drawers down there, some hanging closet and cabinet space and stuff there. The bed does raise up, so there's storage under the bed, and the bed will actually slide left or right a little bit to allow for that closet to come in. Now over here on the right, just above the window, are some TV hookups. So if you wanted to put a TV in here, you could, but it would have to be kind of a smaller TV to go above that window area. Or you'd block out your window if you want to put a real big TV there. It's up to you. Very cool unit. I'll put some garage sizes and stuff like that down in the description, a little bit more information for you on the detail side of things. We're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside, guys. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new Voltage 3635 toy hauler fifth wheel here. We're gonna take a few minutes, spin around the outside real quick, and then we'll run back in and close her up. So first things first, we have a white fiberglass exterior with some vinyl decals and lower black aluminum skirting. The unit has a 30-pound propane tank in the first compartment right here. One on the other side you'll see when we get over there. You do have a small pass-through storage compartment here. LED light strip in there, some light switches for the docking lights and interior light there, along with your electric outlet inside there as well. Furnace exhaust out right behind the entry door there. Traditional entry door with the screen door does have the window in it and is also thin shade ready. There's a little aftermarket pull down blind you can buy for that. The unit has 2 power awnings on it with LED light strips. They are adjustable for tilting and water runoff. They also have the manual overrides in the front arm head, so you could manually crank it in case of an electronic failure. You do have the nicer looking frameless windows on the exterior sidewall. More ride step above step that'll flip right up inside the entry door. Heavy duty step rated for 500 pounds, where the traditional hover step that you'll see on the back is only rated for 300 pounds. The nicer portion of this step is basically it comes down, touches the ground, and doesn't shake the camper as bad when you're running in and out. But you do have to have the adjustable feet on there to kind of, make it work all right on your terrain, depending on how crazy you go off-roading. Large folding entry handle there. The model number is usually located right next to that entry door, so keep that in mind when you're out shopping around looking at a dealer's lot. Couple outdoor speakers up top. Nice large TV area here. This particular unit is a double axle unit, also has the MoreRide CRE 3000 rubber suspension in the middle there. Really kind of acts as a nice shock absorber for RVs when they're going down the road. Also have this 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system. When you get into a really big coach like this, it's really nice to have the auto level being hydraulic. It's just a little bit stronger and faster, a little more reliable than the electric system. Quad entrance step going into the back area there. Now the spare tire crank down is also located just behind that step, in case you're kind of looking for that. And then you can also see that little orange step light down there as well. On around to the back side here, you've seen the party deck area when we were inside earlier. But down here you can now see I put down one of the feet on this side. I left the cable on the other side, but it does have 2 cables or 2 feet. When you want to put down this step area, you do want to use those feet so the cable's not in your way. Then you've seen the patio awning back here as well. Again, pre-wired for that observation camera system if you wanted to do that aftermarket. Got a couple docking lights up there. Really cool little setup area here. Ladder on the back to get you up there, and that is basically 250-pound rating on the ladder. Down here you have dual fuel tanks. Also have the start and the fuel gauge for your fuel pump. And right here is your little fuel pump. Little silver thing up there is a vent. There's one on this side and one on the other side I forgot to mention. But basically those are vents. So if you're traveling down the road and you have gas and stuff shaking around inside your Razor or your 4-wheeler, whatever you're using back here, you want to pop those open so that those fumes could escape easier and not build up inside the RV. Now this one was ordered with that gas and electric refrigerator, the 18 cubic foot. And that's why you see these 2 black panels here. Those are venting panels and maintenance panels, basically. Down here is your dump area you can see located here. There's also a freshwater, there's 2 freshwater tank dumps down here too, white handles. 10-gallon gas electric water heater right here. Motion light on the docking station that you've seen pop on right there. And basically here's all your water hookups, freshwater tank fill, winterization, outside utility shower, cable, all that type of stuff. Over here is the jack controls for your auto level jack system. And then behind this other door is your other 30-pound propane tank. Step back here. Now, going to pop up a couple pictures for you real quick. First one is going to be your main data sticker. Tells you your production date, VIN number, and some little information there. Next one is going to be your carrying capacity, just basically telling you how much gear you can load into it. And after that is your dry weight sticker as well. Up front here, you can see you do have a nice heavy-duty fiberglass cap on the front. Got some nice little designs in it. Light strip across the top, a couple little V lights on each side, and then you also have another little hitch light right here as well. Rotoflex pen box upgrade, and this little film comes off and it's kind of a reflective mirror to help you see what's going on when you're trying to back up here. Down below, Onan 5500 gasoline generator. And then on the left side is your batteries and your hydraulic reservoir for your auto level jack system. All right, guys, we're gonna run back inside. I wanna close it up real quick, show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, guys, we are now back inside the new Voltage 3635 here, and I wanna show you what it looks like closed. So when you are ready to close it up, basically you're gonna come back in here to your main control panel where your 3 slide out buttons are located at. And we're gonna do the kitchen slide first, then we'll do the other slide here. But basically all you're gonna do, push the button. The slides are 12-volt motors. They come straight in, straight out. Obviously, make sure there's nothing in the floor that you're going to run over and damage. Make sure your cabinet doors are closed. That's very, very important to do. But the slide comes right up to the counter, basically. So you can kind of see here, when it's in, you're not really getting to your cabinet area, your stove, you know, the little pantry area in the back there. It kind of blocks that all up. And same thing over here, when we get this one in right here, this is going to come right up to the counter. Again, straight in, straight out, 12-volt motor on this slide as well. Again, guys, don't forget to check out the people at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country, and will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. So it comes right on in here close. And then your other one over here is going to be the bedroom slide. We're going to have to set this down here to kind of give you a little bit of an idea, because the switch is too far away for me to hold this thing and do the slide button. So hopefully this shows up somewhat okay. But basically we're running this straight in, and this slide comes in and it kind of butts right up against the bed and pushes the bed over a little bit and stops. So you kind of see what this looks like here. You can still come in here, get to your bed. You could obviously get to the bathroom and stuff from the hallway area. But it does push over your mattress some out of the way. All right, guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos. Really do appreciate it, guys.